Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here, traveling with Bruce. Gonna pop a little video up tonight. This is August the 20th, 2024. Jennifer and I are on the road. We have begun our 10-week trip that will include the Queen Mary 2 crossing from New York to Southampton, a cruise around the United Kingdom, and then some time in Switzerland, and a Queen Mary cruise back. Right now, we're in New York City. We're in the Big Apple. We arrived here yesterday in the afternoon, late afternoon. And let me tell you, if you've been to JFK lately, you know what I'm about to show you. These here are some shots of some of the work that's being done. $19 billion in upgrades and redos. And I can tell you, the manpower out here is impressive. The equipment, it is going non-stop. And of course, you know what that means. They're not closing the airport. They're not, telling people, oh, we're going to just shut the airport down for a year while we rebuild it. Oh, no, they're operating the airport while this is going on. And so these kinds of images are just, have been normal around here lately. Brand new roadways, new parking lots, new terminal buildings, new everything. And yesterday, when we got out of our airplane, we caught a cab, and I did a quick little clip here. Let me show you. I tried to do a little clip driving in this taxi, but I got to tell you, I'm bigger.
I'm bigger than you.
Yay! Luggage is still here. It's all good. Welcome to the sea of humanity they call New York City.
Oh, that guy's going to the pet relief spot.
There you go. It's a place where you can let your dog take over.
Go let you. Oh no, tell me it's not just that little piece of.
Yeah, can't go there. It's just nuts. It was like this: stop and go, stop and go. The first 20 minutes getting out of this airport area and getting onto the highways. The good news for Jen and I was that we were traveling into Manhattan while everybody was coming out of Manhattan. So there were times where we were going 30 to 60 miles an hour, more like 40 miles an hour, heading into Manhattan, while on the other side, 5, 6 lanes, gridlock, trying to get out. It was nuts. But it's New York. What do you want? A big deal. To me, it's just part of the show, and we're just glad to be here. We ended up arriving here at our hotel. We're at the Embassy Suites, right near Times Square. We're literally a block and barely 300-400 yards away, maybe 100 yards away from Broadway, and we can walk over there and walk our way up. This is the front of our hotel. This is the only image you'll ever see of this hotel with not a single human being around. So this is obviously, they may have photoshopped this, I don't know. But I tell you right now, this shot right here that you're looking at, this is our unit. We have a patio, and we have a wonderful room. We were downstairs this morning for breakfast. I'll tell you that story in just a minute. Complete mayhem. When we got here last night, we were checking into our room, and I asked the front desk staff. There was one person working, and a second person kind of came in by the time Jen and I got to be second in line. And the second person that came in, I found out very quickly, was really the property manager, like the head boss. But you wouldn't know it because the manager just came in to assist the overworked check-in person. They should have had 3 on duty. They only had 1. She stepped in, and she was fantastic. First thing I said to her was, how are you? I hope you're doing okay. We're really happy to be here. We're from Canada. First time in your hotel. And I said, if it's possible, do you have a room that might have a view of the Empire State Building? We're here for 4 days now, and we're going to be here for 4 days in October. And then I casually mentioned I have a YouTube channel, Traveling with Bruce. She said, let me see what I can do. And so she got us this room. And the first thing I did... Okay.
We're in our room. And that store is a block and a half away from us. Let's take a look at it. This is from our room. There you go. Look at that. Well, isn't that just so pretty around here? See? We have a few little buildings. And oh, what do we have here? Well, let's take a look at this building. Look at that. There's the top of the Empire State Building. How about that? Not too bad. How about this skinny little building? Look at this. Wow. That's kind of wild, isn't it? Welcome to the Big Apple, kids. There you go.
A few moments later, as I'm grappling with the luggage, she says, "Have you seen the patio? We have a patio." I said, "What? What are you talking about? We have a patio." And so let me see if I can show this to you. I'll see if I can add this in here.
Well, all right. This is kind of a nice little room. We have a little living area here, as you can see.
There is my room there. Is this better? Yeah, this is better. Here it is. So this is the room we're in, and she said, "Yeah, open up this curtain just beside the TV. Take a look." Oh my God! Look at that. We have the patio. I found out also this is the only room that I'm aware of that has a patio. The entire hotel is 36 stories tall, and this is the only room with a patio we put into this room. I can tell you that if you want to book this room on the website for Macy Suites, you're going to pay more than what we pay because I booked us a room in the living room, bedroom. Anyway, here we are. This is looking north towards Central Park. Seeing some tall, skinny skyscrapers, many others. And then this is looking west. This is looking on the southwest of the Empire State. This is looking south. And this is from our balcony. Holy heck. We had a shower before we got there. We missed the shower, but there were some remnants of rain here and there. But all day today, a gorgeous sunny day, and everything was dried out. It was absolutely fabulous. And I was stunned at this, to say the least. Later that evening, we went downstairs and thanked the manager. Recommend you do that. Embassy Suites are known for offering breakfast to guests, and I gotta tell you, it was wild this morning. The selection is very good. They have scrambled eggs and bacon and some French toast and perhaps sausage. I don't know if we saw sausage today, but yeah, it's there. And then they also have a station where they produce an omelet for you, your choice. They have cereals and breads. So, perfect for families. This hotel is perfect if you're coming in for 2, 3, 4, 5 days with the family and you're going to see the sights. You get your breakfast going starting at 7 in the morning, and you're out of here right away to tackle the day. And there were folks who were going to be leaving this hotel, and they were going to be on all kinds of tours today. And I'm sure by now, 7:30 at night, a lot of moms and dads with kids are bagged. But works for Jen and I, perfect. I've got this work area here that I can sit down with you at, say hello to you, and it works for us. No problem. If I were an executive coming into town for meetings, this room would be great because I would have my internet here, my bed back there, bathroom over here with a walk-in shower. Fantastic. So I highly recommend, if you're ever coming to New York City, the Embassy Suites on 37th Street, 37th Avenue, 6th Street, right on the West End. Midtown, right by Times Square, only a couple blocks away. Perfect for the casual visitor or someone coming in for business. If you're doing business in this region, you're good to go. Don't mind the honking horns outside. It's New York, baby. Get ready for it. Anyway, we'll keep you posted as our travels evolve here. This is just day one as we're settling in. Thank you for catching up with us today, and we'll fill you in on a little more on our trip here to New York. And then at the end of the week, we're getting ready to get on the Queen Mary. So thank you for joining me today. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.